Hello there and welcome to Yoga Poses, the foundations of Yoga Asana with Yoga with Andrea today. And in this tutorial we're going to be practicing lightning bolt pose, also known as Vajrasana or Vajrasana. So this is a kneeling position, so it might be one to avoid if you have current or recent knee or ankle injuries. Otherwise, begin by kneeling on the floor with the hips and the buttocks lifted off your legs. Your inner knees should be together and your thighs should be perpendicular to the floor. Untuck the toes and press the tops of your feet firmly and evenly along the floor. With an exhalation, come to a sitting position on your heels. Rest the buttocks on the soles of the feet, keeping your feet directly in line with your shins. Do not let your feet splay open or turn inwards. Feet and thighs should be touching throughout. Sit up straight and draw your shoulder blades firmly against your back ribs. Widen and broaden across the collarbones and drop your shoulders away from your ears. Sit up tall and lengthen your tailbone towards the floor. Balance your head and spine over your pelvis. Lay your hands softly on your thighs, palms facing down. Allow your arms to relax, gazing forwards with soft eyes. Hold for up to 1 minute or for the duration of your Pranayama or breathwork practice. To release the pose, press your palms firmly on the floor and lift your buttocks. Cross your ankles and shins beneath your body, then extend your legs straight out in front of you in Dandasana or staff pose. So this posture stretches the soles of the feet by tucking the toes if you wanted to practice on that option. It increases flexibility in the ankles of the feet, the knees, and improves your posture. For another adaptation or variation, you can place a folded blanket beneath the knees, the shins, and or the feet for some additional support. Thank you for practicing lightning bolt pose or Vajrasana with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye for now. Namaste.